So hello everyone. In this video lecture we are learning about the different types of algorithm. So the first one is a simple recursive algorithm. So basically in this there are total 8 types of algorithm. So the first one is for the simple recursive algorithm. So in this what basically we will do, first we will solve the base case directly. So in this the first step is to solve the base case directly. Then in the second step it is we will recurse with a simple sub problem and the third one, the last step, that we will do some extra work to convert the solution to the simpler one. So here we will convert the solution to simpler sub problem into a solution which is to the given problem. So this is for the first type. Now let us see for the second type. So the second type is basically a backtracking algorithm. So in this are based on the depth first recursive search. So this backtracking algorithm is based on the depth first recursive search. So basically a backtracking method, here we will use a backtracking algorithm and test to see if a solution has been found, and if so, we will return it. Otherwise, for each choice that can be made at this point. So let me write it first. So the first step is a backtracking algorithm. The second one, here we will test to see if the solution is found. If so it is found, so we will return it. Otherwise what we will do here, the third step will be for each choice that can be made at this. First we will make a choice. Second will be we will recur, and the third will be if recursion returns a solution, then we will return it. And the last one, that is the fourth, in this, if no choice remains, so return failure. So this is for the backtracking. Now let us see for our divide and conquer algorithm, which is the third type of algorithm. So this consists of two parts. The first part is basically a divide and the second part is conquer. So first let us understand what is divide. So divide the problem into the smaller sub problem of the same type and solve this sub problem recursively. Now the second part is basically for the conquer. So in this we'll combine the solution. We will combine the solution into the sub problem. Into solution to the original problem. So traditionally an algorithm is only called divide and conquer if it contains two or more, most important, if it contains two or more recursive call. So then and only the divide and conquer algorithm can be done. Now let us see for the fourth type, that is for the dynamic programming algorithm. Now let us see in this type. So basically it remembers the past results and use them to find new results. So this is the most important for the dynamic programming algorithm. So it remember the past result and use them to find the new results. So dynamic programming is generally used for optimizing or optimization problem. So multiple solution exist. So we need to find the best one. So we will require an optimal substructure or overlapping subproblem. So basically optimal substructure, let us see what is optimal substructure. So in this, the optimal solution contains optimal solution to subproblem. And for the overlapping subproblem, the solutions to subproblem can be stored and reused in a bottom-up fashion. So this is basically for the dynamic programming. Now let us see the fifth one, that is for the greedy algorithm. So an optimization problem is one which you want to find not a solution but the best solution. A greedy algorithm sometimes works well for an optimization problem. A greedy algorithm works in a phase. At each phase you can take the best you can get right now and without the regret for a future consequence. You hope that by choosing a local optimum at each step you will end up with at a global optimum. So basically greedy algorithm is work for not for a solution but for the best solution. So this is work for the best solution. Now let us see for the sixth type of algorithm, that is for the branch and bound algorithm. So in this, these are generally used for optimization problem. So as the algorithm progresses, a tree of subproblem is formed. The original problem is considered as the root problem. A method is used to construct an upper and lower bound for a given problem. At each node, apply the bounding method and continue using the best known flexible solution to trim the sections of the tree until all the nodes have been solved or trimmed. So this is for the branch and bound algorithm. Now for the seventh one, that is the brute force algorithm. The seventh type is brute force algorithm. So in this, simply tries all the possibilities until a satisfactory solution is found. So here we have such algorithm can be optimized or can be satisfying. So the last one type is basically a randomized algorithm. So in this algorithm, we will use a random number. Which is at least once during the computation during the computation to make a decision. For example, let us take an example to understand in a clear way. So example, in a quick sort using a random number to choose a pivot, or trying a factor of a large prime by choosing random number as a possible division. So this is basically video for the different types of algorithm. As in this video we have understand the 8 different types of algorithm. So hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching this video.